Welcome to fourth presentations video. Again, it is a continuation of corporate tax. Welcome to fourth presentations video. Again, it is a continuation of corporate tax planning. After we knowing the tax planning, better to have to understand the tax management. What do you mean by tax management? Tax management refers to the compliance with the statutory provisions of law. Compliance means ಅನುಸರಣೆ. ನಾವು ಶಾಸನಬದ್ಧವಾದ ನಿಯಮಗಳನ್ನ ಕಾನೂನಾತ್ಮಕವಾಗಿ ಜಾರಿಗೊಳಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Tax management is nothing but is implementation of the law. It is a practice of the law. That is called a tax management. It includes the maintenance of accounts, filing of returns, payment of taxes, deduction of tax at sources, timely payment of advance tax, etc. This is a practical of income tax. If you are doing any mistakes among these, if you are not filing a return, the tax department is levy the penalties and impose. And if you are not proper payment of taxes, the tax department will coming to you and put into jail for imprisonment. Okay, that's why tax management, it is a maintenance and implementation and practice of law, statutory law in the respective acts. That's why it includes maintenance of accounts, filing of returns, payment of taxes, deduction of tax at source, timely payment of advance tax, etc. These are all coming under tax management. These are not a tax planning. It is the tax management. If you're doing within the prescribed time, in the prescribed manner, it's very safe. Your business is very safe. Whether doing tax planning or not, whether you save the tax or not, whether you pay more taxes or less tax, it's not a question of saving of your business. It is the safe of your business is well doing of taxation practices. That is called tax management. Tax planning is optional. It's not a mandatory. It's not a compulsory. Tax planning is optional. You're going to be use your maximum provisions knowledge of laws and rules and regulations of Income Tax Act to save the very less tax, to payment the very least tax to the government. It's optional. But tax management is a mandatory. If you are not following all these activities, and if you are not doing all these activities within the time, you have to face a lot of problems. That's why tax management, it should be very, very required, and you have to do it well in a manner. Otherwise, you have to face a lot of problems. So, poor tax management may lead to levy of interest, penalty, prosecution, etc. In some cases, it may lead to heavy financial losses if improper compliance is not made. Example, if loss return is not filled in time, it will be result a financial loss, because such loss will not be allowed to be carried forward. Okay, that's why tax management is very, very essential. But if you want to pay a least tax, you have to adopt a tax management. But if you want to escape from the fine and penalties, you have to be manage a proper tax management in your practices. Okay, that's why what is the difference between tax planning and tax management? Tax planning, it is the objective of tax planning to reduce the tax liability to the minimum. But tax management objective to tax management is comply with provisions of law. You have to be ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಅನುಸರಣೆಯನ್ನ ನಾವು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ approach. In its approach, futurities in its approach. The tax management relates to past. The assessment, a proceeding, rectifications, revisions, appeal, etc. Present, the tax management relate to past, presents, and futures also. In past, it's coming assessment, proceedings, rectifications, revisions, appeal, etc. Present, filing of returns of income on time on the basis of uploaded records, and future corrective action. Tax planning is a very wide and its coverage and include tax management also. Tax management has a limited scope. It deals with the specific activities such as filing of returns of income on time, drafting appeals, deductions of tax at sources, on time updating records from time to time, etc. The tax planning is a broad way. It is a very, tax management is very narrow. The benefit arises from tax planning are substantial practically in the long run. When you are doing a tax planning is very well, and it's going to be effect in your business in a long run. If you are going to be claim all deductions, and if you are claiming all exemptions, and if you want to claim all relief and rebates and everything, you are going to be pay very less tax and least tax to the government, and remaining a portion, lot of major portion of profit is remaining with taxpayers, and it's going to be investment in futuristic purpose, and you are going to be investment in further activities or expansion of business or productive like that. Okay, it is one of the futuristic long run, and a result of effective tax management, penalty and penal interest, prosecution can be avoided. It is also another one of the important difference. If you are proper management in taxation, you are not going to be pay any penalties, penal interest, over interest, excess interest or prosecutions, and you are not face any litigations. You are cool and comfortably you are doing your business. You focus on your business smoothly, and you're going to be conduct development activities. These are the major difference between tax planning and tax management. They both are very, very essential. If you have not a tax planning properly, I think you have not an options of your development activities. If you are not doing a proper tax management, I think you have faces so many problems, so many litigation, and you have to be pay over penalties, over interest, over. This is the major difference between tax planning and tax management. Thank you for